Good afternoon and welcome to another episode of Ziggy's Workshop. Today I'm trying to solve a problem that I have when I'm hooked up to my travel trailer with my Ram 2500 pickup truck. The problem is that when I'm hooked up, I can't lower the tailgate, which makes getting stuff in and out just a royal pain. What I found out is with these Lippert power heads, they can be rotated. It's a fairly simple process. On both sides of the power head, there's rubber grommets, and below those rubber grommets are 13 millimeter bolts, and you just take these off. They come right out. They're basically hand tight. And what you do is you lift, already took this side out. You lift the power head off, which is simple to do. And if you notice, there are two holes here that the bolts go into when the head is in this position. There's two holes already in the front and the rear. So if you rotate it 90 degrees in either direction, you can still catch these bolt holes. These are not tapped. You need to tap these with a 5/16 18 tap. You just run it in, run it back out, and you're good. So now what you do is, once you've got these tapped, you just put your power head back on, you rotate it back into place, and it's a little bit tricky because you're catching the gears in the head with the rod on the you just have to make, you're trying to get this to line up. It takes a little bit of finessing. It's usually not too difficult. But today, of course, being a live video, it's going to give me a problem. And just stand by a moment and we will get this. Of course, live video is live video, and you can see some of the struggles that we have. Now, all I got to do is tap that a little bit. It's now engaged. You can see, if you look at the bottom, it's going up and down. The next thing you do, and of course I'm going to have this turned sideways now, you just put these in and get it lined up so you can feel that it's going to go into the hole. And again, carefully do this so that you're not stripping anything, all the hard work that you've already done. It's going to go in just fine. Tighten that one down. Come into the back side. This should be lined up pretty well right there. And again, we're on live video, so things don't always work exactly as planned. We'll loosen this one up a hair. I can feel this one going in. There we go. There it goes. Tighten this one back up. Put your grommets back into place. You want these to be watertight. I'll find where I dropped the other grommet. And now I'll show you that this is just going to lift right up without any problems. Before I do that, now if you watch, my tailgate opens. I can load things in and out without any problems. It takes 20 minutes worth of work to do this, and it's a lifesaver when you're at the campground or you're in your yard, you're trying to load up. Again, 20 minutes worth of work, a little bit of ingenuity, a couple of tools, and you've got a great project that's going to make your life a lot easier. Again, thank you for joining us at Ziggy's Workshop. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day and have fun with your projects.